do I have empathy for someone who is passive aggressive? Here I am on the one hand saying I can understand how frustrating this situation can be, how infuriating at times this kind of behavior can be for other people. Well, can I feel that on the one hand and also have empathy on the other? The answer is yes. I do have some empathy for people who are passive aggressive. Why? Because people who are passive aggressive push other people away. And people who are passive aggressive, a lot of times, will feel like other people don't really like them. They will not feel liked. They will not feel a part of the club. And I think deep down, we're all little kids, and all we really want to do is feel liked and loved and welcomed and embraced. So, when you have someone who's passive aggressive, yes, their behavior can be incredibly frustrating and can cause interpersonal problems. But at the same time, it's important to remember that they actually are doing things that lead to them feeling isolated later. What's sad is that this group of people often ends up feeling alone, misunderstood later, even though sometimes maybe they have frustrations themselves or anger or resentment about perfectly legitimate things. The problem is they go about dealing with those feelings or dealing with any issues in their life. They go about it in a way that doesn't serve them or anybody else. And they end up feeling isolated and alone. In that way, yes, I do have empathy for them. It's really important, I think, for all of us to take a step back and also gain that insight into the other side of what it's like, what the experience is like of being a passive aggressive person.